Greetings, YouTube. Last time I made a decent video showing you how to make X-rays out of a light bulb. Well, I've since upgraded to this thing. That is a vacuum tube, the number of which I'm going to show on the screen because I can't remember what it is. And that's my new power supply. It is a induction coil. Before I was using an Oudin coil, which has AC current, but for X-ray production you're really going to need something of DC. That has a polarity switch and goes up to 60,000 volts. Basically there's a little filament inside of a metal cylinder, and I don't heat the filament, I run it in cold cathode mode, which means I just put the power straight through it. The negative is inside, the outside is positive. I got some little magnets connecting to the anode there. But yeah, this is my big steel shield for safety reasons, of course, because you don't want to screw around with X-rays, especially something this powerful, which I'll show you. Lead apron, got it from eBay. Definitely a must. I mean, like, seriously, you don't want to mess around with this stuff. Over here I've got a little timer programmable thing that I can use to run this thing for irradiating my seeds and rocks and stuff without having to be in the room, which is a big shielding advantage. Here, I'll flip the switch first. One more button. There's some penetration through the middle for scattering, not sure which, but that's kind of scary, huh? So that's what it sounds like when you use a Geiger counter. But the one thing, very important thing to know about Geiger counters and X-rays is Geiger counters will underestimate them drastically. I'm going to program my little timer here to go off in a few minutes for 1 minute, so you can see how far away I can measure this. There. It should go off in a few. I can be outside of the room. It's a little safer. A lot safer, really. The wall right there, the source X-rays is right behind that. Again, I am definitely wearing my lead apron. And it's waiting for it to go off. Yep. There we go. Backing away. About, I'm not even sure what distance away I am, but far and closer. Okay. Back away some more. Alright, now I have to change things around a bit and have this set up for X-ray photography. Got my favorite camera there, my SLR Rebel. Rebel XSI if you want the model number. Phosphor screen right there, which lights up when you get struck by X-rays. I'll put the target right there in that little gap. Of course, got the tube there moved a little bit closer. Got my shielding there so I can kind of still be in the room a little bit. That's another phosphor screen there taped on some cardboard. But basically, I'm going to X-ray this. Put that there. Turn on the machine. Yeah, I haven't actually taken photos arranged like this before. I've taken a few of the current camera I'm recording with. And I'll show you those in a moment, including something I should have shown you guys a long time ago, the only actual successful photo I ever took with the light bulb, making X-rays come out of that. So, tonight, once it gets darker, even though I've tried to light-proof the room a bit, I kind of did a crappy job, so I need the sun to go down. So, we will see. Oh yeah, aquarium glass, think I forgot to mention. 2 layers thick of that for added shielding to try and protect my camera from when the X-rays hit the CCD, they'll cause little flashes of light, called hot pixels, and sometimes they'll burn the pixels out permanently. Alright, it's after sundown. Getting ready to do some photography. Got my lead apron on, of course. It's the phosphor screen I'm going to be photographing. It's my first subject, a little wind-up flashlight. First I want to see what happens when you look at this in the dark. I can't even see couldn't see the tube, but could see the speckling from the X-rays.